Pregnant woman among two killed in Portland. Man gunned down while raking yard on Manning's Hill Road. Ratty gunned down in Greater Portmore. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A pregnant woman was among two persons fatally shot in Portland Tuesday night. She has been identified as 28-year-old Shade Pink of Campbell Avenue in Port Antonio. The other deceased is 23-year-old Keno James of Johntown Road, also in Port Antonio. The police indicate that a preliminary report is suggesting that the pregnant woman was the target of the attack. It is being theorized that the attack stemmed from a love triangle gone bad. The Port Antonio police report that about 11 o'clock on Tuesday night, Pink and James were among persons playing a game of domino at Alfred Lane in Portland when a gray Toyota Fielder motorcar drove up and a gunman exited the rear of the vehicle and opened fire. At the end of the shooting, Pink, who was in an advanced stage of pregnancy, and James were found suffering from gunshot wounds. They were taken to the Port Antonio Hospital where they were pronounced dead. The Constant Spring police are investigating the shooting death of a man on Manning's Hill Road in St. Andrew on Tuesday. The deceased has been identified as 48-year-old Marlon Bayfield, otherwise called Sniper, of the community. Reports are that at 12:20 p.m., Bayfield was raking the front of his yard when gunshots were heard. On the arrival of the police, he was seen lying in a pool of blood with what appeared to be gunshot wounds. He was rushed to the medical facility where he was pronounced dead. The police are probing a gun attack which claimed the life of a man in Greater Portmore, St. Catherine on Tuesday. The deceased is 30-year-old Kevin Burke, otherwise called Ratty. The police say sometime before 4 p.m., Mr. Burke was sitting under a mango tree when he was approached by a man armed with a handgun who shot him. The police were called and Mr. Burke was seen face down in a pool of blood. 3 cartridge casings and a blood sample were removed as exhibits.